Hey there everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of habit formation. It's something we all grapple with, right? So let's start by breaking it down into some strategies that can genuinely make a difference. And who doesn't want to succeed in building new habits?
I love that. Just focusing on one habit. But what if someone wants to change a bunch of things at once? Isn't that, kind of tempting? The classic New Year's resolution kind of deal?
Absolutely, it's super tempting. But remember, trying to bite off more than you can chew often leads to burnout. Picture a chef learning to cook. If they try to master every dish on the menu at once, they might end up setting off the fire alarm.
Oh, wow. That makes so much sense. But, what's the next step once you've picked a habit? Do you just jump in right away, or is there more to it?
Once you've selected that one habit, I recommend practicing it at a fixed time every day. For example, making it a routine to read for 10 minutes right after breakfast. Consistency is key.
Oh, that sounds so smart. But, what if you're not a morning person? How do you stick to it at a time that just feels brutal?
Great question. Adjust the timing to what fits you best. If evenings are when you feel most energized, then that's when you should practice your habit. It's all about creating your rhythm, like a well-tuned band playing together.
So, it's all about finding your groove. But, how do you celebrate progress without getting too distracted or falling off the wagon?
Next up, I'd suggest using a habit tracker, something to visually document your progress. It's exciting to see how far you've come. I remember creating a chart when I was trying to drink more water daily. Just seeing those check marks fueled my motivation.
That's, really motivating. But I can see myself failing at that too. If I, forget to track it one day, I'd probably just give up. Is that a common thing?
Totally. If you miss a day, don't let it derail you. It happens to everyone. Just reset and keep going. Acknowledge that it's perfectly normal to stumble. Think about a gardener. If they notice a weed in their garden, they can't just abandon it. They pull it out and keep nurturing the flowers.
Ooh, that's such a cool analogy. But what about reminders? I'm usually all over the place. How do you remember to stick with it every day?
Well, technology can be your best friend here. Set reminders on your phone or even put sticky notes on your mirror. Visual cues work wonders. When I was getting into meditation, I would set a dedicated alarm to remind me every afternoon. And honestly, it felt like I was catching a mini oasis in my busy day.
That's so clever. So, it's almost like having a personal cheerleader? That's cool. But, what if someone doesn't want to use digital tools? Maybe they love things on paper?
Definitely. If that's your jam, use a bullet journal or a planner. Both are great for tracking your progress. And let's not underestimate the beauty of crossing off tasks. It's so satisfying.
Wow. Now, I'm kind of picturing my own planner. It's like a scrapbook of success. That's so appealing. So speaking of success, when you hit a milestone, how do you reward yourself?
Ooh, good one. Celebrating those small victories is crucial. Whether it's indulging in a favorite snack or treating yourself to a movie night, it's all about recognizing your progress. In my case, when I completed a month of daily journaling, I allowed myself a weekend getaway. It became this beautiful way to recharge.
That sounds fantastic. But how long does it usually take to really establish one of these habits? Is it, weeks or months?
The golden question. Research suggests it can take anywhere from 21 to 66 days to form a habit, depending on the individual and the habit itself. But remember, you need to be patient. Think of it like a tree growing. It doesn't sprout overnight, but rather stretches over time into something strong and beautiful.
Oh wow, that's totally relatable. And if I missed one day, should I just push the reset button on the entire tree? Or like, do I keep watering it, even if it's a bit wilted?
Keep watering it. You can't abandon something you've invested in. It's important to embrace that process. If there's a wilted leaf, take care of it, but don't cut down the whole tree. Share your goals with others too. It builds accountability.
Like one of those group projects? Time's innovative. Who do you think is the best person to confide these goals in?
It could be friends, family, or even an online community. Just make sure it's someone supportive. Imagine a sports team. They thrive on encouragement and accountability to push each other to excel.
Wow, I never thought of it that way. Thanks for all these insights. It really demystifies the habit-forming process.
My pleasure. And remember, building new habits takes time and effort, but with the right approach and mindset, anyone can succeed. Thank you all for listening today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I can't wait to share more insights next time.
Yes, this was super helpful. Can't wait for more. Until next time, everyone.